Use the word dark to describe something.
Dark? The very big cave was dark, like the night. You still stupid.
Hey, Sakayo. Use the
Dark.
word dark to describe something.
Jimmy's inner thighs are very dark,
Yang Ali.
like the night.
You kind of fine.
A little bit beeps,
Yang Ali.
Say, Muli.
Why?
Jimmy, use the word eat
Eat.
in a sentence.
I love to eat out with my family.
Good job, Jimmy. Now you, Sakayo, use the word eat in a sentence.
Eat. I told my friend, go eat your daddy's.
Sex, but if that doesn't work, then
Yesterday. Yesterday. Yes, yesterday. Yes, yesterday.